So here we are with Dr. Limongelli in Yonkers. How are you, Dr. Limongelli?
Very good, Mr. Flash.
Wonderful. Dr. Limongelli, you're a general dentist, and tell me, is it really true that when it comes to dentistry, that almost any and all problems like tooth loss, gum disease, it can be actually prevented more easy and more accurate and more with more certainty prevented, with much more certainty prevented than, other disciplines. Like, when a guy has a headache, a stomachache, and to prevent it, yes, one can do things, but it's not quite as accurate and quite not as 100% of a science as it is happen to be with dentistry. Is that true, that dentistry is the most preventable area when it comes to healthcare than one can possibly imagine?
That is absolutely true. There are many modalities to prevent tooth loss and to prevent gum disease, and more today than ever before. Tooth loss can be prevented by proper oral hygiene, treatment of any systemic diseases, and the same with gum disease.
Okay. What do you call a systemic disease?
Diabetes mellitus, for one, that attacks the microcirculation and breaks down the small blood vessels surrounding the periodontal ligament of the tooth and eventually causes the teeth to become loose. With good oral hygiene and proper dental visits, the disease can't be cured, but the effects on the gum tissue can definitely be helped.
Wonderful. So at whatever stage a particular person has a certain dental problem, he can, by going to the dentist, prevent the next stage. Obviously, you can't make a tooth go back, which is missing, but you can prevent the other ones from becoming bad, and you can prevent other illnesses. It can be prevented, very calculative. Yes?
Yes, preventive dentistry is a very important aspect of the profession.
All right. Well, thanks for letting us know. I'm going to go in, though, and we'll ask you in different videos a whole bunch of questions about specific areas of dentistry, being it implants, being it dentures versus implants, being it veneers versus lumineers, being it orthodontic, and whether adults and or children can benefit the same way, cosmetic dentistry, and of course the ever so dangerous periodontal disease, which seems to have effects far beyond of losing teeth. We'll talk that in the next videos. But here, really, what I wanted to get across, and what I think is nice to hear, is that dentistry really, problems with the mouth and whatever then spreads from there can be prevented, literally 100%.
That's correct.
Well, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mr. Flash.